नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे कृषि उद्यम आप सभी का स्वागत है एग्रीकल्चर वाला के इस ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पर। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फिमोप्सिस ब्लाइट एंड फ्रूट रोट ऑफ एगप्लांट की। द डिजीज ऑफ ब्रिंजल, ये ब्रिंजल का डिजीज है, इज कॉमन थ्रोट आउट द वर्ल्ड एंड इन मोस्ट ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल एरियाज इन सेकंड only to the bacterial wilt in the extent of damage caused. Although it starts as a foliage blight, most destructive phase of the disease is the fruit rot. In India, the fruit rot phase of the disease causes heavy losses in the field and during transit. Yield losses from 10 to 20% have been reported in India. In addition, the seed quality is also badly affected. So far as is known, the fungus causing this disease attacks only brinjal. Now we see symptoms. The disease is present in one or other form from the seedling stage of the plant to its maturity. In the seed beds, it appears as damping off. After transplanting, the leaves corning in contact with soil may get infected and show clearly defined circular gray to brown spots with lighter colored center. The old spots show numerous black Puccinidia. The affected leaves turns yellow and die. The affected leaves turn yellow and die. Sometimes, sometimes petioles and stems are attacked and show cankers. The lesions on the stem are dark brown, becoming gray. In the centers is the black Puccinidia develop. Mostly the stem base is attacked and it characterized by construction or the base of a gray dry root. The skin peels off and the inner tissues are exposed in strong wind. Such plants topple down due to breaking of the main stem. The fruit is attacked while on the plant. Pale sunken spots develop on the fruit and may progress to cover the entire fruit surface. These spots are also made by the presence of many black Puccinidia, the internal portion of the fruit rod. If the fungus enters the fruit through the calyx, the whole fruit is mummified due to dry rot. Homopsis rot of brinjal fruit, not rotting at the lower end. The causal organism. The disease is caused by the fungus Phimopsis vaccine harta. It belongs to Deuteromycotina, although the perfect or sexual stage of the fungus is not known in nature. It has been obtained in culture and named Diportovaccans gratae. This stage belongs to family Diporthesis order. This stage belongs to family Diporthesis order Spiralis class Pyranomycetes of the Ascomycetine. The pycnidium of the fungus may or may not contain a brick, and it at first buried in the host tissue, later becoming Areumed as brown to black speck extending slightly above the host surface. On the leaves, the Puccinidia are 60 to 200 microns in diameter, and on fruits they are 120 to 350 microns. They are globes to irregular with 20 to 50 microns wide ostole. The conidiophores Phyllides in the Puccinidium are hyaline, simple, or branched, sometimes septate 10 to 16 microns long and arise from the innermost layer of cells lining the puccinidal cavity. The puccinidiospores onidia are hyaline, one called subcylindrical 5 to 9 by 2 to 2.8 microns in size. Another form of conidia, the stylospores, are filiform. Curved, hyaline, and aspected. They measure 20 to 30 by zero point 0.5 to 1.0 microns in size. These spores do not germinate in cultures. The Palylathacea are formed in clusters. They measure 130 to 350 microns in diameters and have beaked carbonaceous signate irregular osture. The beak is 80 to 500 microns long. Essay are clavate sesaling 8 spore and measure 28 to 454 by 5 to 12 microns. Ascospores are hyaline, narrow, ellipsoid to blunty, fusoid, one septate and constricted at the septum. They measure 9 to 12 by 3 to 4.4 microns. This is cycle and environmental relation. The fungus is seed-borne and also subsist between crop seasons on infected plant debris. Inoculum in seed is present as mycelium in the seed coat, between the seed coat and endosperm, and in the endosperm as well as the embryo region. Puccinidia can also be present in seed coat and endosperm. Vishwant 1992. The organism is locally disseminated as waterborne conidia. These conidia exude out through the out oil and can be easily thrown away by raindrops, splashes. They can also be disseminated by tool and insects. Also, source of entry of the pathogen into a field is the infected seedlings from the nursery. The fungus requires wet weather and high temperature for best development. It grows well at a temperature range of 21 to 32.5 degrees Celsius with optimum at 29 degrees Celsius. Disease development is fast in wet weather with temperatures around 26 degrees Celsius. Storage root is maximum at 25 degrees Celsius. Temperatures of 5 degree, 10 degree and 40 degree are unfavorable for disease development. Synergism of Fusarium moniliform with Phomopsis vaccines is causing fruit rot has been reported by Dater 1983. Management of the disease. The first step is the management of Phomopsis blight of eggplant is the production of disease-free seed which can be done by the grower himself. Only healthy plants and fruits free from any type of blames should be selected for seed. Calyx of the fruit should be removed and the fruit should be dipped for 10 minutes in mercury chloride solution, 25 gram per 35 liter water. Water extracting water extraction of the seed it should be dried for a week and then stored. If seed is obtained from market, it should be bold and shining. Such seeds should be treated in hot water at 50 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes since all the mycelium in the seed is not killed by this method. It is essential that chemical sprays should be done in the seed beds to raise disease-free seedlings. Mancozeb and Gineb have been recommended as chemical spray in nursery beds and in the field against Phomopsis blight and fruit rot. The spraying can be done at intervals of 7 to 10 days. Singhs and Chakravarti 1982 found that difolanten 0.2% or Captan 0.2% reduce disease incidence when used as a spray. Gravel and Jyoti 1987 have reported that 4 sprays of Dithan Z 78 0.2% at 10 days interval were the best for reducing the disease incidence. The first spray was given when the fruit started maturing. Next best fungicide was Bordeaux mixture 4:4:50 followed by Blitox 50 and Dithin M45. Since the pathogen attacks only eggplant, rotation is effective in its control. Brinjal should be avoided in a field for 3 years. The disease crop debris should be collected and burnt in the field. The soil should be given deep summer plowing and allowed it to bake thoroughly before rain start. Ahmad 1987 found the cultivars Pusa dwarf and Annamalai comparatively resistant to fruit rot. Datar and Asputer 1988 screened a number of varieties in Maharashtra for resistance to Phomopsis fruit rot and found cultivars Arka, Kusumkar, Aurangabad local, Annamalai, Bengali long, cultivar I and cultivar first and sorry, culture first and culture second, early round market, Goregaon local, Kurchi rounded, beauty black and T3 moderately resistant up to 20% incidence of fruit rot. So thank you everyone to listen me. Please support our channel.